already in coding for beginners in a new coding class with Gaurav. So as you have joined live session, so you must be knowing we have created a maze game. I will show it now also. But today, what interesting we are going to do? You want to know? Today we are going to means we have programmed a maze game. So how to use that maze game free in your phone? Sounds interesting? Yeah, we will do that. But before that, let me show you the maze game. If you want to know how we have created, so the description link will be coming off live. Okay, so yeah, here you can see I created this game. So for creating your game into your mobile, it's easy. Okay, you just have to click on full screen and then copy the link which is coming. This can be in it can be in uh, laptop only. It can't be in phone, so you don't try in phone as it will be useless to do in phone. Okay, so no problem. Let me add the screen and yeah, just have to type here forkphorus. Okay, when you will type forkphorus, this link I will share you in description. You must take from there, and you have to do forkphorus for scratch 3. It doesn't matter 1, 2, 3. It will work in all. Okay, so no problem for that. This kind of web page will be opened. So here you can see, here you have to paste your link which we have copied from here. You have to do full screen then. Okay, so you have to just what happened? Yeah, yeah, you have to just paste your link here, paste, and then scroll down, then do back page. When you will do back page, this kind of web page will be open, and here you can see your program is being there. So you just have to copy this link again, copy and add a new tab and write here appgeyser. This link I will also share in description box. No worries, I'm gonna make you simple learning. You have to just type appgeyser. This link I will share you, and it can't be in phone. It should be in laptop only. Okay, because in phone it can be, but it is so difficult, and in phone the scratch also can't be there. No? So that's the problem. Okay, no worry. When you will open app user, this kind of web page will be open, and you just have to click create app. Just wait. Yeah, yeah. You have to click on create app. When you will click create app, this kind of web page will be opened. Okay, here you can see I have created before only, but I will tell you again. Okay, so you have to click on create app. When you will click create app, then you have to it will ask you have to means for earning or for yeah or for business. Okay, so you just have to do it for growing. uh, so then this kind of web page will be open, that you have to click on business, then business website. You just have to click on business website. When you open this kind of web page will be opened, and from here you have to do website URL. It is asking so which link we copied from for us. uh, yeah. Oh, my laptop's hand, so just wait. Yeah, which link we copied from for us, you just have to paste the link here. Okay, then click on save, then scroll down. It's saving, then create on next. When you will create on next, this kind of web page will be open. Just backspace and give a name to your uh, game. So I am giving maze game as it is related to mazes. Okay, then it will ask default icon or custom icon. So you have to do it default icon. It doesn't look good as it gives a random icon. So you have to click on custom icon and upload 512. It will come, and you have to just go on new tab and write your app name, and in front of it write icon like my is maze game, and I have to write icon. Okay, just enter it. So you will get many. So you have to just click on images and which you are liking. You can like I like this one. Okay, so I will save this. Are you doing save? Yeah, you must be, but I am telling you, you have to just do right click and then save images as. It will, okay, so you have to just give a name to your maze, then save. Then you have to come back to your website and click on upload 512 into 512 and search your icon here. Maze, I have written maze. Yeah, it has came here. Just open it. Yeah, and scroll will come. You have in this you can do how much you want. So I want not. Yeah, this much is fine. You drop it and click on next. Then click on create. And you will click on create. That will take some time. And this type of web page will be opened and you just have to click on download APK. When you will click on download APK, wait, it's loading. Today I will give you a riddle also which you have to solve and give answer in comment. Okay, so you just have to click on this link when this kind of web page will be open. When you will click that, so you have to click on this link, and when you will click, this kind of web page will be open. Means game install 0 as we are creating now. So you have to click on download. When you will click on download, it is coming here. Your download will automatically start in 4 seconds, but you have to click on download again. Here, this blue link. When you will, it will be like this, but it will start downloading. See, it's downloading here, getting data. It has been 100%. Yeah, this kind of image will be open. You have to just simply click on it. Your downloading will start. I think down. Yeah, it has not came. Yeah, it will come. Yeah, here you can see the download has been started. It's downloading. Let's wait till time it's downloading. Let me ask you a riddle. Okay, which I told you. The riddle is there is an alien and he lands on your system. So which will be his favorite place to land? Okay, this you have to answer in comment. Okay, it lands on your system means your laptop, your PC, your computer, your desktop, and many more. Okay, not on your phone or your tab, on on your system, laptop, desktop, PC, computer, many other. Okay, so down here, see it is downloading. It has been off. It's being downloaded. Okay, so I hope you are liking this video. As in this video, you are creating your own app. Yeah, I'll show you in phone also how to download in phone. You just have to whenever it has downloaded, here you can see it has downloaded. You just have to click on this and show in folder. When you will click on show in folder, here you can see this has came. I think you are not able to see now. Yeah, just wait. Uh, uh, for that, I have to share my screen again. Uh, please wait. Uh, yeah, I know you are not able to see, but uh, wait. Let me do. I have to do some settings. Mhm. It's not being. So, yeah, just wait. You are not able to see that setting I have to do. will be, yeah, fine. Yeah. Now I have to share screen again and screen and share. Yeah. Now I think you will be able to see I have shared my screen again. So here you can see maze game. You have just to have to click on it, then open. No, sorry, open. I just cross it. Where it has gone now. Just let me go back. I think I have to re-download, but no worries. We can do re-download. Like this, you can create your own app to use your app in phone. Yeah, it is downloading fast now. Yeah, it has been done. Two downloads. It sounds critical. Okay, you just have to click on show in folder. Then you will see your game here. Yeah, you have to just right click on it and you have to copy and you have to click here and then desktop. When you click desktop, right click again and then you have paste will coming. You have to just click on paste. Okay, so your game is coming on your desktop, but it's a APK, not it has downloaded. So you have to just minimize it, and then there are two ways to share your app to your mobile. I will tell you a simple way. WhatsApp app. You can just type WhatsApp app here. When you will WhatsApp app, if you're not knowing how to do it, so that I will also tell. You just have to click on WhatsApp app. You have to click on it. Are you thinking for the riddle? Riddle will be easy. It is easy. It's very easy. Uh, hint, hint I will give you in comment section. Okay, after this video, because you have to use also your brain. Okay, so it is opening. See how many windows are open for nothing happened. You just have to type here your to whom you have to share. I have to share to me only. So please don't see here. You have to just click on documents. When you will click on document, this kind of web page will be open. You just have to type or search your maze. Your maze will be here and just open and just send. Okay, so laptop work has been finished. Let me stop share and share my screen in phone. Okay, so you have to just wait for a while. Mm, let me share screen. Yeah, I think you are able to see my screen. You just have to click on your WhatsApp where I have shared, and here you can see APK is not came. I don't know why the APK is not came. Yeah, but we'll see why. Let us make it like this only. APK must come, but why it has not? Yeah, it has came now. Yeah, fine. You just have to click on download. It will download. It's downloading. Yeah, it has downloaded. So you just have to click on the APK. Yeah. Then this kind of web page will be open and you have to just click on install. Installing. Yeah, it has been installing. As you are new, so it will be coming that it is not safe, but you have created it is safe. Okay, no worries. Just an app installed that I have done the settings. It will ask for some setting. You have to go on the setting and just allow it. Okay, so my app is installed. Let me come back. Come back to my home. It's not being cancelled. Don't know what has happened to my phone. Yeah, like this you can do. Okay, so like this you can do and create your own app. Okay, so let me show you now. where your app will be coming. You have to just click. Let me share screen again. Yeah, here you can see we are coming back. Here you can see this maze game. You just have to click on it. See, I said you it will be modified app. You have not done any coding. It will be modified. That here you can see refresh settings, theming, share, about, exit. See, you have not coded, but how it has came. It's critical, and here your game it is. Okay, so it's interesting. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the black bell notification icon so you will getting the notification which we are doing. Okay, so bye for today. Bye.